Hello guys, welcome to Tech Job Career. Today update is from the Gartner. Gartner is hiring associate software engineer, Python data engineer. This is a detail about the company. You can read it. What are the qualifications and skills required for this job? 0.5 to 2 year of experience in solution design, development of cloud-based data models, pipelines and infrastructure for reporting, analytics and data science. Experience working with both structured and unstructured data. Experience working with Spark, Hive, SDFS, MR, Apache Kafka, AWS, Genesis. Experience with version control tools like Git, subversions. Experience using automated build system CI/CD. Experience in working different programming language like Java, Python, Scala. I will request you to update your resume according to the job description. Please mention all the skills that are required in the job so that your resume got shortlisted first. Experience of data structure and algorithms. Knowledge of different database technologies, relational, NoSQL, graph, document key value, time series. This should include building and managing scalable data models. Knowledge of cloud-based platforms like AWS. Knowledge of TDD, BDD. Strong desire to improve upon their skills in ETL, software development, framework and technologies. This is a detail about the job. Apply link is given in the description. If you have any problem in applying, please comment. I will help you on that. Thank you.